I've got the lower control arm installed with the Delrin Bushings. They're all torqued down. Before, with the rubber bushings, the factory ones, you could hardly move this. These are a little bit stiff, but it actually moves. Before, it would sit there and you could push a little and it would spring back. But this has a full range of motion. Well, I got this whole side installed. Some grease in it. I gotta give the bolts a once over. There's no more toe bracket or whatever they call it on there. It's just one big bushing. New pin. New pin on both these inner ones. Shouldn't be any deflection in this. And everything moves so nice and easy. I got it jacked up with this little jack right now. No bind. Can't wait to try this thing out on the road. Used to have a pretty good clunk in this side because of the way these top bushings were. It was like well, why don't I just show you? These top bushings here. It's like a metal insert with a seal. And it's supposed to have some goo in there. And then solid rubber pressed in there. So the first one I did was even worse than that. So it's gonna be quite an improvement. Plus these rubber bushings, they don't really like to go up and down. They like to kind of be in one place. It really torques on the rubber when they actually go through their range of motion. So with the new bushings, it just travels so easy. It should move pretty nice. Here we got the rear IFS all together. All these bushings are greasable. Got rid of the janky toe rod thing that they had there. Just made a extra long bushing. And these two have new sleeves inside. One because this would have been two individual sleeves, and this one because it was a split sleeve. I wanted seamless sleeves. Greasable out here too. Greasable camber adjustment bushing. So on these cars, to adjust the toe in, you would adjust it here. That would rock this whole assembly. And then for the camber, you'd adjust it right here. That's an eccentric also. That would tip the top of the wheel in or out. This is a Super Coupe, so it's a 8.8 inch limited slip differential. This side's all together. And can be a treat changing U-joints in these guys because the gas tank goes around it, but I've gotten pretty good at pulling that gas tank because I had sending unit problems and fuel pump problems and whatnot. It isn't that hard with the transmission jack. So that's what it looks like under here now. I don't have any play in anything anymore, so should work a little bit better. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. God bless.